Have you ever wondered how new technologies can change the world overnight? Let's talk about a company called DeepSeek. They've made something really cool called the R2 AI model. It's a smart program that can think and learn. In this video, we're going to explore how DeepSeek made the R2 model, why it's so important, and what makes DeepSeek different from other companies. Let's find out why everyone is talking so much about it. Background on DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a cool company that started in a big city called Hangzhou in China. They are not very old, but they are doing some amazing things with computers and technology. Imagine a group of smart people who decide to make computers that can think and learn by themselves. That's what DeepSeek does with something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Before the R2 model, DeepSeek made another AI model called the R1. When they introduced R1 to the world, it was a big surprise for everyone. The R1 was so good at solving problems that it could do some things better than many other AIs made by much bigger companies in different countries. This made DeepSeek very famous quickly. People all over the world started paying attention to what DeepSeek was doing, because the R1 made them think about how powerful and helpful AI can be. The R1 even affected the stock market, which is where people buy and sell parts of companies. Because of R1, the prices of some company parts went down a lot, which showed just how important a good AI can be. The launch of R2 DeepSeek is working very fast to get their new AI model, called R2, ready for everyone to use. They plan to release it in May, but now they want to do it even sooner. Why the rush? Well, their first model, R1, was a huge hit, and they want to keep the excitement going. They think R2 is even better and can help people sooner if they get it out quickly. Plus, they want to show the world how great their technology is before other companies can catch up. So, what's so special about R2? This new model is designed to be much smarter than the first one. For one thing, R2 is expected to be better at coding, which means it can help create software or solve computer problems more effectively. Another cool feature is that R2 can understand and reason in more than just English. This is really important because it means people all over the world who speak different languages can use it. DeepSeek hopes that by making R2 smarter and more helpful, it will become a valuable tool for lots of different people and businesses. Industry impact. When DeepSeek released their first AI model, R1, it really shook up the whole world. Think of it like a new game coming out that everyone wants because it's so good. Because R1 was so powerful and affordable, it caused a big stir in places where people buy and sell shares of companies. This is called the stock market. The value of many big companies went down because everyone was excited about what DeepSeek could do with less money. Now, with the upcoming launch of R2, people all around the world are watching closely. They are curious to see if R2 will be as surprising as R1 and change things even more. R2 is not just another new model. It has some special features that make it really stand out. While many big tech companies use very expensive technology to build their AI, DeepSeek uses smarter, less costly ways to make R2 just as good or even better. This gives DeepSeek a big advantage because they can offer powerful AI without making it too expensive. R2 can also understand and work with different languages, not just English, which is super helpful for people and businesses in different parts of the world. This means DeepSeek can help more people solve problems, making it a very important player in the tech world. DeepSeek's culture. DeepSeek was started by a man named Liang Wenfeng. Liang grew up in a small village in Guangdong, China, and he was always very smart and liked to learn. He went to a top university and studied how to communicate using technology. After school, he worked at a company where he learned a lot about algorithms, which are like instructions or recipes that tell computers what to do. Liang is known for being very quiet and likes to keep things simple. He doesn't talk much in the media because he prefers to focus on his work and making cool new things. The way DeepSeek works is different from many other tech companies in China. Instead of having a lot of bosses and layers of management, DeepSeek is more like a big team where everyone can share their ideas. This is called a flat hierarchy. It means that even the newest employee can have good ideas listened to by everyone, even Liang Wenfeng. DeepSeek believes in letting their workers be creative and not just follow strict rules all the time. This helps them come up with new and exciting technologies. They also don't make their employees work super long hours like other companies, which is really good for keeping everyone happy and energetic. Implications and conclusions. The release of DeepSeek's R2 model is a big deal in the world of AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. AI is like having a super smart robot that can think and learn. Countries all over the world, especially the USA, are trying to be the best in making AI. When R2 comes out, it might change how other countries think about and make their own AI. The USA sees leading in AI as very important, so they might try even harder to make new AIs that can do amazing things, just like R2. Looking ahead, companies like DeepSeek could really change the tech industry. Startups, or small companies that are just starting, often have new ideas that big companies haven't thought of yet. Because DeepSeek is doing such great things with less money, other startups might see that they can do it too. This means we might see more cool inventions coming out more often, making our world even more interesting and smart. DeepSeek's new R2 model shows us how a small company can make a big splash in the world of technology. From shaking up stock markets with their first model, R1, to setting new goals with R2, DeepSeek is really making people think about the power of AI. Let's keep an eye on how AI continues to change our world and make it a smarter place. We've learned so much today about DeepSeek and their exciting new AI, R2. It's amazing to see how smart technology can change our world, and even how countries compete in technology. Remember, AI like R2 helps us solve problems and understand things better all around the globe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Keep watching for more cool updates on how technology is making our future brighter. See you next time.